This is the Tecno Spark 10 Pro and it is priced at 119,000 naira. At this price point, while other brands are removing the charger from the box, Tecno still has the charger in the box along with wired headphones and a case. While other brands give you just 4 GB of RAM, the Tecno Spark 10 Pro has 8 GB of RAM. Other brands give you 64 GB of storage. Well, the Tecno Spark 10 Pro has 256 GB of storage and it is powered by a gaming chipset, the Mediatek Helio G88. What's not to love about the Tecno Spark 10 Pro? Inside the box, we get the phone, MTN card to redeem 1 GB of data, a TPU case, it fits the phone well, warranty card, wired headphones, Type-C cable, SIM ejector tool and the charging brick. All this for just 119,000 naira. The 128 GB variant is 105,000 naira. The rear of the Spark 10 Pro is made of glass and it is a matte finish, so you won't get smudges on the rear of this phone. It's really smooth. Just holding the phone feels slippery. The camera bump is a glossy finish though, and that can easily get smudged up. The side of the Spark 10 Pro is flat, not curved, and it is made of plastic. Speaking of the sides, on the right is where the volume rockers and the power button is located. The power button also doubles as a fingerprint scanner and it works great. As soon as you place your finger on the power button, it unlocks. We also get just one speaker, a mono speaker on the Spark 10 Pro. Here's what it sounds like. .github.io on your phone or laptop. You can play any popular game you want on your browser. Popular games like the Type-C port, primary microphone and the headphone jack are at the bottom. On the left side is the dual SIM plus memory card slot, and up top there is nothing. Moving over to the front of the Spark 10 Pro, we see the 6.8-inch 1080p LCD display with a refresh rate of 90Hz, which makes scrolling and using this device really smooth. Colors are decent, the display is sharp, the quality is good. But know that it is not AMOLED, so don't expect anything over the top. Now, viewing angles are good, and surprisingly, I was able to use the phone under direct sunlight. So the display is very good in my opinion. See! If you're enjoying the video so far, kindly hit that like button so that YouTube will show our video to more people. And subscribe to our channel. Hit the subscribe button and the bell right beside it. Let's get to 10,000 subs. Okay, cameras. Dual cameras is what we get on the Spark 10 Pro, a 50-megapixel main camera, the other one is just an AI lens. So all our focus is going to be on the 50-megapixel main camera. If you are wondering what that third camera is, it's just the flash. Yeah, it's just an illusion. Now up front, we get a 32-megapixel front-facing camera for selfies. It can shoot up to 2K video at 30 frames per second on both the rear and front-facing cameras. Tecno did not cut costs with the camera quality. As you can see, photos look good. It is sharp and very saturated. I like how the colors are. HDR is also good. Selfies are also detailed. It is sharp and skin tones look good. Hey guys, so this is video on the Tecno Spark 10 Pro. This is the selfie camera. So let me know what you think of the video quality indoors and also the audio quality. Still looks sharp, looks decent. So yeah, I'm going to be taking this one outdoors to see how it performs under better lighting conditions. So let's go. Okay, so the sun is out today. Anyways, this is still the selfie camera of the Tecno Spark 10 Pro. So let me know what you think. Let me know what you think of the video quality and of course the audio quality in the comments below. You should be hearing a lot of wind now. It looks very saturated from what I'm seeing on the screen right now. But let me know what you think. Dynamic range test. How does it do? It's doing quite good in my opinion, so let me know what you think in the comment section below. The Tecno Spark 10 Pro comes with Android 13 on iOS 12.6. It comes pre-installed with some Bluetooth apps, but it's nothing that can't be uninstalled. Now, performance-wise, it's powered by the Mediatek Helio G88 alongside 8GB of RAM and 256GB of internal storage. This phone is no slouch. Apps open up really fast and it is great for gaming. Here are the Geekbench scores and it should give you an idea on how the phone performs. You can also extend the RAM up to 16GB via memory fusion. That's an additional 8GB taken from internal memory. But do you really need it? This is one of those things I just think is a marketing gimmick. 5000 mAh battery capacity with 18 watts of fast charging is what we get on the Spark 10 Pro, which will take about 2 hours to get full. So, what do you think of the Tecno Spark 10 Pro? For me, it's the best budget phone in 2023 so far. It has the best specs in its price bracket. You get all the accessories in the box. 8GB of RAM, 256GB of storage. Performance is good, cameras are great. This is the phone to get. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more videos just like this one. My name is Yudi, this is Yudi Shoots. Thank you so much for watching and you'll see me in my next video.